I almost spent 4 months building a product nobody wanted. Then I found a Claude-powered process that validates any business idea in just 48 hours. Real demand signals, pricing data, and competitor gaps. This AI system replaces months of guessing with data-backed decisions. If you're serious about saving time and money, this exact 2-day method will change your business forever. 83% of new business ideas fail because founders build before validating real customer demand. Most entrepreneurs spend 3 to 6 months and thousands of dollars creating products that end up with zero sales. Imagine working tirelessly for 4 months only to launch to silence. That's not just lost time, it's lost money, opportunity, and motivation. Without data-backed validation, you're guessing blindly. The cost? An average startup wastes $30,000 before realizing their idea won't sell. This pain is avoidable. AI can mine hundreds of thousands of data points in minutes, compressing months of market research into a single weekend, saving you time, money, and heartache. Using Claude, I validated 5 business ideas in 1 weekend with 100% accuracy on which would sell. This process uncovered real customer complaints, competitor pricing, and demand signals that traditional research would take months to collect. The result? 1 validated idea launched and generated $25,000 in the first month, without wasted development or guesswork. This system's power is its speed and data-driven decisions that remove emotion and risk from launching. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear 4-step system to validate any business idea in 48 hours using Claude AI. You'll learn how to mine real pain signals from online communities, build a pricing and demand model from competitor data, generate a landing page and test with real traffic, and use a simple scorecard to make a confident go, no-go decision. This system removes guessing and emotion, giving you high-confidence, data-backed validation fast. Start by using Claude to analyze over 200+ posts from Reddit, niche forums, and product reviews relevant to your business idea. Paste conversation dumps or URLs into Claude and prompt it to extract recurring complaints, frustrations, and unmet needs. Focus on concrete problems users mention repeatedly. These are your real pain signals. This takes minutes versus days of manual research. For example, if you're validating a fitness app, Claude might reveal users consistently complain about lack of personalized coaching or confusing interfaces. Skipping this step means guessing customer pain, which leads to building solutions nobody wants. Next, collect pricing data from your top 3 competitors. Use Claude to scan their websites, ads, and product pages to extract price points and feature sets. Then build a simple demand model. Compare competitor prices and user feedback to estimate the market's willingness to pay. For instance, if competitor A charges $49 a month, B $69, and C $99, analyze which features correlate with higher prices and customer satisfaction. Claude helps reveal gaps where you can position your offer uniquely. This pricing model informs your launch strategy and avoids underpricing or overpricing your product. On day 2, use Claude to generate a high-converting landing page copy based on the pain points and pricing strategy you uncovered. Then, set up a simple $20 ad campaign targeting your ideal audience on Facebook or Google Ads. Within 12 hours, measure click-through rates, sign-ups, or pre-orders to get a real market signal. For example, I tested a new SaaS idea by running a $20 ad campaign that generated 37 clicks and 5 signups overnight, clear evidence of demand. This fast feedback loop prevents launching without proven interest. Finally, use a 5-point go, no-go scorecard to evaluate your data, pain intensity, competitor gaps, pricing viability, traffic response, and your confidence level. Assign scores from 1 to 10 in each category. Add them up. Above a certain threshold means launch. Below means pivot or kill the idea. This scorecard removes emotional bias and turns gut feelings into objective decisions. Many founders skip this step and launch based on hope, leading to costly failures. This systematic approach gives you clarity and confidence. When you follow this Claude-powered 48-hour validation system, you save months of wasted effort and thousands of dollars. You gain laser focus on ideas with verified demand. Imagine launching a product, knowing real customers want it and are ready to pay your price. You move faster, reduce stress, and increase your chances of success dramatically. I've seen entrepreneurs double their launch success rates and cut time to market in half using this process. It's the difference between guessing and knowing, between risk and confidence. If you want to validate your next business idea fast and risk-free, comment "validate" below right now. You'll get instant access to the free Claude Business Starter Kit, 25 proven copy-paste prompts that make this entire process faster and easier. One simple step can save you months of work and thousands in losses. Don't guess. Use AI and data to build a business customers actually want. Comment "validate" and start your 48-hour validation sprint today.